Hello children, I am your Shobha ma'am and I welcome you all to Learn with Fun Unlimited. Children, are you all excited to learn something new today? Yes? Today I am going to teach you all about magic words. Yes, today we will learn what are all the important magic words that we should all learn and make a practice to use in our day-to-day life. Magic words are part of what is known as good manners. Teaching your child all about these magic words is very important because this will help the children to grow up as respectful adults. However, it is difficult task to learn and it needs lot of dedication to incorporate in their daily lives. Dear parents, I request you all to please use these magical words at home in your daily vocabulary so that the children will learn from you. So children, are you all ready to see few magic words? Yes? Very good. The first magic word that I am going to tell you all is thank you. Learning to say thank you for every good deed will help children grow into independent adults. Thank you is a magical word which shows gratitude and honor. When you say thank you, people feel very special and honored. When do you use thank you? When someone gives you something or does something for you or helps you, you say thank you. When you take favor from others, out of gratitude, we say thank you. People love to hear a word from you, that is thank you. So children, it is very important that whenever you take a help from others and whenever you are being given something from others like a gift or if someone shares something with you, you should always show your gratitude by saying thank you. Please, nobody likes to be around rude people. The way you approach matters a lot. The word please can get you help when you really need it. The magical word please totally changes how it sounds to the person on the receiving end. It shows that you are requesting and not demanding. Always use the word please when you need a favor or a help. People will be ready to help you if you request them with a please. So children, always try to use the word please whenever you need a help from others. Sorry. It is very important that children, you should all learn how to be responsible and say sorry when you do something wrong. Asking an apology will not make you weak. By saying a sorry brings forgiveness, healing and peace into any difficult situation. Children, always make sure that whenever you make a mistake or hurt someone, you should be sorry for your deeds. Ask an apology with a simple magical word, sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me is the word used in different ways. It is used to take permission, to interrupt, to take a leave from a place or asking someone to leave the path. Kids need to learn to use the word excuse me. Whenever you want to interrupt someone or you want to just have a talk with someone who is busy with some other work, make sure to ask an excuse. For example, when you want to enter a classroom when the teacher is teaching, make sure you ask her, "Excuse me." When two elders are talking, and if you want to talk in between, always use the word excuse me. When you all are sitting together with your family or friends, and if you sneeze or cough, always use excuse me. Excuse me is the word used in different situations. And this magical word really works to please everyone around you. So children, I hope you all will follow these 4 magic words that I have taught you today. As parents, we always expect our children to grow up with good manners. So dear parents, let's teach our children few magic words in our day-to-day life. Always use these magic words in your vocabulary and teach your children when and where to use these words. This will definitely help your children grow into a respectful adult. I hope this video will help you all to teach your children few magic words. Thank you all for watching my videos. Me, your Shobha ma'am, will see you soon in next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.